Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. If this is your first time to my channel, I'm Violet and I hope you consider subscribing. So today is day 5 of 12 days of Christmas DIYs. I hope you guys are enjoying all the different Christmas decor pieces that we've been making these past few days. So today what we're going to be making are some Dollar Tree coastal Christmas decor wall decor pieces using some sea glass and also some blank painter canvases. So what I did was basically try to divide all the green sea glass and then play with all the different sizes to make a Christmas tree. I made a coastal Christmas tree using one of the white Christmas trees from Dollar Tree, and I'm actually decorating my bathroom with all of the coastal Christmas decor that I've been making, but I thought I needed something extra just to put on my wall, so that's where I decided to go ahead and play with the sea glass and try to figure out how I could use it to make some Christmas decor pieces, and this is what I came up with. So what I did again was just kind of play with all the green sea glass that sea glass that came in the bag, and started trying to figure out how to make a Christmas tree. And then once I liked the design, I just used my hot glue gun and glued it onto my painter's canvas. And if you don't feel comfortable just using your hot glue gun, you can easily use super glue or even some E6000 to attach your sea glass to your painter's canvas. I haven't really used sea glass a lot on my DIYs, but I thought it was really pretty. So let me know if you guys have used it and what have you made with the sea glass before. Again, I've always thought it was really pretty, but I've never really used it for anything. But I thought I'm going to start having to make more things with using sea glass. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. So after I was done making my Christmas tree, I thought it needed something extra. So I'm using some of these miniature shells that come in a glass jar from Dollar Tree as well, and just made a kind of like a star for my Christmas tree. And again, all I used to attach my shells was my glue gun as well. So once I was done adding my star, I wanted to add some sand down below from my Christmas tree, but I didn't have any. So what I decided to do was just use some gold paint and just kind of make a design at the bottom to make it look like sand. Then for my next painter's canvas, I'm going to make a Christmas wreath using some of these seashells from Dollar Tree as well. And I just played with the different sizes of shells and kind of made a design that I liked. Then I'm just using my glue gun to glue and attach my shells to my canvas as well. And as you can see, I just left my canvases blank, but you can paint them. I mean, I think it would look really pretty if you painted all dark green or maybe a red, and then attach all your shells to it as well. They might stand out as more than the way I'm doing it, but I just wanted to keep it more of a clean, simple look. And that's why I decided to go ahead and just leave my canvas blank and leave it white the way it came. If you guys are enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So once I was done adding all my shells, I decided to go ahead and incorporate the same gold that I used on my Christmas tree onto my wreath as well. So I'm just kind of adding some streaks of gold onto each one of my shells. So once I was done adding all my paint to my shells, I went ahead and decided to make a bow for my wreath. So I'm going to use just some white ribbon and some jute twine as well, and just made a simple bow with my white ribbon. And then I also decided to use some of this raffia that I had on hand, and I just shredded it as thin as possible. And then I'm just going to make a bow with it to attach it on top of my white bow. And then I wanted to go ahead and incorporate some more of the sea glass. So I just got the smallest little chips that were in the bag and just kind of piled them on top of my bow in the center, just to give it that extra look of that color and of the sea glass. And there you have it, an adorable Christmas wreath made out of seashells. So for our third and final canvas, what I decided to do was make some bells using some shells and also the sea glass as well. So all in all, these three different Christmas ornaments using my shells and sea glass was a total of maybe $6 to make. So this is really affordable, and it's absolutely adorable as well, especially if you like that coastal beach theme decor for your home. So once I added my shells, I decided to go ahead and get some jute twine to form a little bow on top of each one of my bells, and kind of that string that attaches them together. So once you're done making your bows, just make sure to trim off any of that extra ribbon or in my case jute twine that I'm using, just to give it more of a clean look. So with the extra jute twine on top that is attaching each one of my bells together, I just added some hot glue to my canvas to pinch the jute twine together, just to give it that attachment look. Then I decided to use a little extra piece of green ribbon that I had on hand and just made, again, a simple bow. And that way I could attach it to the top of my jute twine so you won't see where I glued it together. Let me know which one is your favorite. Is it the Christmas tree, the wreath, or the Christmas bells that we're just making right now? So after I glued my green ribbon and made a bow with it and glued it onto my canvas, I decided to go ahead and just make a simple bow with the jute twine as well to attach to the top of my green ribbon bow. And then to incorporate the same shells, I went ahead and I just added a small miniature shell onto my bow, and then again painted my bigger shells or my bells with the gold that we've been using throughout both of my other canvases. So here you have 3 really pretty and adorable coastal theme Christmas decor pieces. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.